President Duterte has threatened to close the courier service J&T Express. Duterte has ordered the following agencies to investigate:
you better shape up. But I'd like you to know that I am ordering now, because the CIDG is listening, and the NBI to investigate you, at ang BIR to look into your finances.
The president threatened to shut down J&T Express after its personnel were caught mishandling parcels in a viral video.
Yung mga padala nawawala, tapos yung pagdating pinapalitan, wala ng laman. I am not condemning you now. I am not also insinuating that you are liable or guilty of doing it. It would depend greatly on what is the result of the investigation.
It became a concern for Duterte because he said the courier service is being used by the poor.
Because of the so many complaints, but I will close you down. Sigurado yan. Sasarahan talaga kita, whether you like it or not, after the CIDG and the NBI would finish their investigation and would point a liability sa inyo.
Duterte also encouraged customers to file complaints.
Yung lahat naman na may reklamo, go to the nearest, punta kayo sa police, hanapin ninyo yung merong opisina yan ng nakakalat yan, police agency yan. Sabihin ninyo paturo kayo, then file the complaint there, ang inyong affidavit. At tapos tignan ko, if I'm satisfied na medyo may kalukuhan, sisirahan ko kayo. And I will file charges also.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.